Listen to me very carefully because what I am about to say is going to completely shatter everything you thought you knew about AI video creation. The jaw-dropping, highly detailed cinematic anime sequence playing on your screen right now was not rendered on a $5,000 gaming PC. It was not built inside those frustrating, brain-melting spaghetti nodes of ComfyUI, and it absolutely did not demand a monstrous graphics card or a blazing fast internet connection. I generated this entire 2-minute visual masterpiece with exactly one single click, using nothing but a basic browser. If you watched my last LTX 2.3 video and felt completely locked out of the AI revolution because the Google Colab setup was a total, unforgiving technical nightmare, I need you to take a deep breath right now, because your problem ends here, today, in the next few minutes. Welcome back to the highly anticipated part 2 of our LTX 2.3 masterclass. Today, we are violently throwing every complicated setup completely out the window. We are saying a loud, permanent, final goodbye to Google Colab errors, endless waiting lists, and crushing hardware limitations. What if I told you that you can now run the exact same premium, industry-leading LTX 2.3 model, fully automated with absolutely zero technical knowledge required? Yes, you are hearing me correctly. Even if you are sitting on a crowded bus right now using your mobile phone with only 100 megabytes of internet data left for the entire day, you can still generate a stunning professional-grade AI video completely from scratch. This absolute magic is made possible by a brand new revolutionary platform called FocalML AI. FocalML AI is essentially an all-in-one AI movie studio that runs entirely inside your browser, and it is quietly, aggressively disrupting the entire landscape of content creation as we know it. And the absolute best part? Later in this highly detailed video, I am going to hand you a completely legal, algorithm-safe growth loophole to run this insanely powerful system and generate endless videos for absolutely free. So do not skip a single second of this, because the automated workflow I'm about to show you inside FocalML AI is going to hand you a massive, unfair, undeniable advantage on YouTube. Let us dive straight into the FocalML AI dashboard right now. The very first thing you will notice the moment you open this platform is how incredibly clean, simple, and beautifully intuitive the entire interface is. They have completely stripped away every single piece of confusing technical jargon. Instead of spending hours messing with nodes and connecting digital wires, you're looking at one single streamlined prompt box. But do not let this minimal design fool you for even 1 second, because under the hood, FocalML AI is packing some of the most serious, industry-leading firepower available anywhere on the internet today. If you click right here on the main model selection dropdown, just look at the absolute titans of AI video generation sitting right there at your fingertips. We have Kling 3.0 Pro ready to go, Seedance 2.0, which is currently dominating social media with viral clip after viral clip, is fully integrated. They even have Google VO 3.1 sitting right there waiting for you. It is literally like having a massive Hollywood VFX rendering farm safely tucked inside your pocket. But despite having all of these incredible premium tier models available, we are going to make one very specific, very deliberate choice today. Since this is part 2 of our master series, we are selecting our absolute favorite heavy hitter, LTX 2.3. Why? Because LTX 2.3 delivers unmatched visual consistency, and we still have major unfinished business to handle. We are going to push this specific model to its absolute breaking point inside the FocalML AI ecosystem today. Now, listen to me closely, because this is where it gets dangerous. We're not just going to type a lazy basic sentence and generate some random 5-second test clip like every other amateur creator does. FocalML AI actually allows you to generate up to 5 full minutes of completely automated video in a single session. But for this specific tutorial, we are going to craft a highly detailed, intensely cinematic 2-minute anime sequence. And to make absolutely sure our underlying story is bulletproof, deeply engaging, and perfectly engineered to lock viewer retention at exactly 100%, we are going to bring in our ultimate secret weapon. I am opening up Google Gemini right now. Using Google Gemini for prompt engineering is basically a straight-up cheat code for the YouTube algorithm right now. Here's why. The AI engine inside FocalML AI understands semantic depth.
but it desperately needs a master director to feed it the right instructions. Google Gemini is going to be that master director. By pairing the unmatched intelligence of Google Gemini with the raw rendering engine of LTX 2.3, we are mathematically guaranteeing a viral masterpiece. I am typing this exact instruction directly into Google Gemini right now. Act as a master anime director. Write a deeply engaging, visually striking, and highly detailed prompt for a 2-minute dark fantasy anime sequence. Focus heavily on intense character facial expressions, dramatic atmospheric lighting, neon reflections, and fluid, high-octane action transitions. Give it to me in one continuous, highly descriptive master paragraph. And boom, just look at the immediate result. Google Gemini just delivered an absolute masterclass of a prompt. The depth and precision of the vocabulary is insane. The way it specifically describes the neon-lit rain striking the protagonist's sword, the aggressive pacing of the action scenes, the exact angles of the deep shadows cutting across the frame. It is literally perfect. This is exactly how you feed the LTX model inside FocalML AI to get precisely what you want without any painful trial and error whatsoever. I am copying this brilliant master prompt directly from Google Gemini, and we are heading straight back into our FocalML AI studio. I am pasting the entire text right into our main idea box. Now, I need you to pay extremely close attention to this next step, because this exact feature right here is what makes FocalML AI completely different from anything else existing on the market today. In the past, you would have had to manually break this massive story down into 10 or 20 separate little scenes. You would render them one painful clip at a time, download gigabytes of heavy files to your hard drive, and then spend hours manually stitching everything together, fixing color grading and building complex transitions inside Premiere Pro or CapCut. We are not doing any of that exhausting, soul-crushing manual labor today. Right next to the main prompt box, we're clicking the target duration dropdown and selecting Auto mode. By selecting Auto, the FocalML AI engine is going to carefully read our massive Gemini prompt, fully understand the complete story arc, and automatically piece together the wide establishing shots, the emotional close-ups, the fast-paced action transitions, and the entire sequence from start to finish. It literally does the job of an entire professional editing team. All we have to do is click the Generate button exactly one single time. While this incredible 2-minute automated sequence is rendering in the background, we need to talk about the single most important part of this entire video: how you are going to do all of this completely for free. This is the exact strategy you need to follow right now to build your Faceless YouTube channel without spending a single dollar. Go to the description of this video right now and click my official sign-up link for FocalML AI. The exact moment you create your brand new account, the platform instantly rewards you with 40 free credits. That is more than enough firepower to start testing the LTX 2.3 model and generating high-quality scenes immediately today. But here's the massive growth hack that absolutely nobody in this space is talking about yet. FocalML AI has an insanely generous built-in referral program. If you look down at the bottom corner of the dashboard, you will clearly see a Refer a Friend button. Click that and you will instantly receive your own unique invite link. Take that specific link and send it to your brother, your sister, your best friend, or drop it into a Masses Creator Discord server. The exact second someone signs up using your specific link, boom, you instantly receive 100 free credits added directly to your permanent balance. And it gets even more powerful than that. If that person decides they love the platform and upgrades to a premium subscription later down the line, you automatically receive a massive 1,000 free credits deposited straight into your account. Do you realize how powerful this actually is? You can literally cycle this simple referral system over and over again to get unlimited, continuous access to top-tier models like LTX 2.3, Kling, and Veo without ever once having to pull out your credit card. This is exactly how the smartest, most calculated creators in the world are scaling their content machines and building massive empires for absolutely free. All right, the rendering process is completely finished. Let us look at our final 2-minute anime sequence generated by FocalML AI. Just look at the insane, almost unbelievable level of visual consistency on the screen right now.
The transitions between the wide establishing shots of the dark neon city and the intense emotionally charged close-up character reactions are absolutely flawless. The dramatic lighting perfectly matches that dark fantasy atmosphere we specifically instructed Google Gemini to create. And the absolute craziest part about all of this? We achieved this mind-blowing cinematic quality with one single click. We did not touch a complicated editing timeline, we did not burn through gigabytes of expensive internet data, and we did not need a $5,000 PC melting down in the corner of the room. You can literally pause this video right now, pull out your smartphone, and do this yourself immediately. LTX 2.3, directly powered by a precision Google Gemini prompt running inside the completely automated ecosystem of FocalML AI, is an absolute undeniable game changer for every single content creator on this planet. You now have the exact premium tools, you know the secret free credits growth hack, and you have the ultimate Google Gemini prompt engineering strategy. The technical barrier to entry has completely collapsed today. It is time to stop making excuses, stop watching other people build their empires, and start building your own. If you found massive, real, tangible value in part 2 of this masterclass, smash that subscribe button and turn on all notifications right now, because in the next video, I am going to reveal an even more insane AI video workflow that absolutely nobody on YouTube is even close to talking about yet. Click the link in the description, claim your 40 free credits on FocalML AI right now, keep creating, keep innovating, and I will see you in the next one.